Forecasting models with Python. The objective of this course is for you to learn forecasting models' main concept from basic to an expert level while you practice with Standard & Poor's 500 exchange-traded fund prices using Python programming language as your analysis tool. At the end of this course, you will be able to estimate simple forecasting methods such as arithmetic mean, random walk, seasonal random walk, and random walk with drift, approximate simple moving averages and exponential smoothing methods such as Brown simple exponential smoothing, Holt linear trend, Garner additive, and Taylor multiplicative damped trend, and whole winter seasonal methods. Evaluate methods forecasting accuracy through scale-dependent error metrics. Assess if time series is first-order trend stationary through augmented decay Fuller unit root test. Estimate non-seasonal and seasonal Box-Jenkins autoregressive integrated moving average models. Select methods and models through Akaike and Schwarz-Bayesian information loss criteria. Assess model residuals or forecasting errors white noise requirement through Elhoum-Box-Lack autocorrelation test. This course is ideal as you're an undergraduate or postgraduate at any knowledge level who wants to learn about forecasting models using Python programming language. You're an academic researcher who wishes to deepen your knowledge in data science, applied statistics, operations research, economics, econometrics, or quantitative finance. You're a business or financial data scientist who desires to apply this knowledge in sales and financial forecasting, inventory optimization, demand and operations planning, or cash flow management.